Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making white rice. Yes, white rice. The ingredients we're gonna need are water, salt, cooking oil, and rice. For my recipe, I'll be using 8 cups of water, 4 cups of rice, half tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. I will start by adding my salt in the water, and next I'm gonna add my oil in the water, and I will let everything boil up before I add in my rice. So right now I'm gonna put my heat on high so it can boil fast, and then I'm gonna reduce the amount of heat when my rice is already in the water. To make the process go by so fast, you can cover up your pot when you start boiling your water, and as you can see, my water is already for my rice to go, and I'll go ahead and add in all my rice and reduce my heat from high level as y'all can see. My heat level is on number 2, and I'm gonna use my stirring to mix everything up together. And make sure I cover up my rice so it can